guys, welcome back to my channel. It is thrift haul time once again, so I'm so excited to share these finds with you. I hope you love them. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so first up we have this. I really was drawn to it, one, because it's wood, and two, because of the woven out detailing. I thought it was so cool. And then if you look at these handles too, it's like wooden with like rattan or raffia wrapping around it. So I don't know, I just was really drawn to it. Yeah, no idea what this is used for. Probably like a file holder box if I had to guess. This was actually $7.99, by the way. Okay, next up is this vase. It's funny because I was really drawn to like the detailing of it. I absolutely hate the color though. I'm really sorry if you don't agree with it, but it's just like how it's coming off on camera is literally the color that it actually is. So it is like a greenish brown with blue, and I'm not really big a fan of it, so I'm definitely gonna make this a thrift flip. But the detailing that I like of it, it's actually raised on the vase here. This, by the way, was actually $11.99. So the fact that I picked this up is actually surprising. I really do think it's on the more expensive side. Keeping in line with ceramics, next up we have is this one. Now, I really loved the different like colors that are coming through on this. There's obviously white, and then you have some beige, creamy color, and then almost like a brown color mixed in, and so it kind of almost looked like marbling, but I really loved the shape of it. I really love the color of it too. I think it's very cute. This one was $5.99, by the way. Next up is this pretty cool tiny vase that has etching in it. It kind of looks like leaves or whatever, some kind of plant. So cute and tiny. This one was only 99 cents. Super cute. Next up is this, I'm gonna call it a bowl, but man, I saw it and instantly picked it up. I was like, I love this. It is so just different. Screams boho for me. It's kind of like an oval bowl. It has rattan on it and just something really different. So I was really excited to pick this up. It was originally sold for $14 and I got it at the thrift store for $5.99. Next up is this vase. And now it's very basic. I picked it up solely for like its design. So it's a triangle designed vase. When I do find ones that are different, I tend to grab them when I can. This one was $3.99. I'm not too fond of the color, so this will definitely be a thrift flip for me, but I'm excited nonetheless to add it to my little decor stash. This next one has a lot of tape. So this is a bottle wooden puzzle. Now, this is very detailed and intricate. There's like so many pieces to this. So will this ever be used as an actual puzzle piece? No. I would never dare to actually take this apart because I would end up taking it apart and then just not know how to put it back together. So then it'd just be pieces on my shelf. And this was definitely an impulse buy, but yes, very quirky. This, by the way, was $4.99 for this. I also got a second puzzle piece. This is a wine glass. Honestly, I wasn't even going to try to take the tape off of it. I struggled with the last one. I'm not trying that again. Wood quirky pieces. Yeah, that basically has my name written all over it. So this one was $4.99 as well. Next up, we have these wood candlestick taper holders. I was so happy to pick these up. I saw them and instantly thought, okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna strip them down, get them to that like natural wood color. And I was actually excited that they were like different heights. These, by the way, were $2.99 for this set. So pretty good, I think. Next up, we have these two frames, and I picked them up solely because of the wood. So I was thinking about using these frames by putting like artwork or a canvas print in it. I definitely wouldn't be using it to kind of put like small photos in it, but I was really excited to pick these up. So each frame was actually $2.99. So a huge frame for $2.99. I was all for it. All right, so I do have some more kitchen items that I want to share with you. So let me start off with my favorite kitchen item, wooden bowls. All I have to say is like, who is getting rid of their wooden bowls? I don't know you, but I just want to know why. Like, they're so awesome. Also, to whoever is getting rid of their wooden bowls, thank you. But seriously though, let's talk about this wooden bowl set. So this wooden bowl set is actually a better deal than the last wooden bowl set that I got. That one I believe was $14.99, and this entire thing was $6.99. Yeah, for real. So we have this big bowl, 4 small bowls, 3 that are actually the same size, and then there's this one bulbous bowl. But then also got a wooden spoon, a spork. I call it a spork. And then to top it off, got these 4 wooden shallow bowls that were a part of the set too. I mean, I don't think I have to tell you that I was just so happy to pick that up. Next up is this little cute ceramic pan. Picked it up because it is dishwasher, oven, and microwave safe. I'm like weirdly always like wanting to have cake at random times. So don't want to make a whole cake. Make a tiny cake. And this one was only 99 cents too. And I will definitely be using this for sure. So I also picked up this. So this is a pizza pan. I spent $2.99 on it. I know you can get the same exact style at Dollar Tree. And so I spent more on it. The reason why I bought it though at the thrift store is because they almost never have pizza pans at my Dollar Tree. And this will definitely be a thrift flip and have this as like a focal point in my kitchen. I think it will be really beautiful. So I'm really excited about that. Next up, these little ceramic bowls. It's got a ridge here and then followed by like a beaded detailing. Very cute, very understated, and I thought it would just be great to go into my kitchen as well. So $4.99 for the set. I'm really glad I picked these up. One more thing that I actually got that I'm really excited to share with you is this little tea cart. Now I have big plans for this tea cart. It's definitely not going to stay the way it is now. I'm thinking that I'm going to raise it up in kind of like more bar height, and then actually make it into a bar cart with some wine bottle storage as well as wine glasses that can slide in on the bottom. So that will definitely be a video that will come up on my channel at some point, but really excited about it. This one, by the way, was $11.99. The tea cart was definitely worth that price in my opinion. All right guys, that's it for the thrift haul today, but thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did and thrift hauls are your thing, definitely make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed, if I pass that vibe check for you, definitely make sure you're subscribed and you hit that little notification bell so you're in the know when I post again. So, your girl shopped quite a bit. This was a major haul, so I had to split it up. It was a lot. I got a lot. I'm sorry. I got a lot. Rest assured, there is another thrift haul coming up soon, so make sure you're subscribed for that. But yeah, once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.